Hey besties, welcome back to my channel where I give tips on natural hair growth. If you're new here, thanks for coming by. As you can see from the title, we're doing a mini twist tutorial / tips, and we're gonna jump right into the parting. So for my parting, I start off with the middle part, and then I go from ear to ear on both sides, and then at the back I do like 3 little parts. On my mini twist, I always start them off on freshly washed, blow-dried hair. I like to blow dry my hair because it's easy for me to part, it lasts longer, and I like the length. Also for parting, I use a 3-way mirror because honestly that's the best invention ever since sliced bread, like for real. Get you a parting mirror. But as you can see, I have 3 sections at the back. I don't have a particular guide, I just kind of do whatever it does, but those are some videos that you guys can follow if you need to part. Now onto the fun part, the twisting. I like to keep my mini twists long term, and in order to do that, I don't use any type of gel or jam because I realize that that will help make your twists lock, and I don't want to lock them. So no shine and jam, nothing. All I use is a moisturizing cream, and today I'll be using the TGIN Sweet Honey Hair Milk, and I use a little bit of mousse. This is a new one for me, but I decided to try out mousse. I'm using the Doux Mousse Def, and with mousse, because I don't want it to revert my hair, I just use a small pump, just one small pump. A tip for twisting the back: you want to twist your hair where your hair falls, or you want to start your twist where you want your hair to fall. So if you start your twist pulling to the side, it will be pulled. So what I do is I start off by twisting at the back, as you will see. I'm going to show another example, but I start off at the back and then I twist down maybe 6 to 8 times, maybe like an inch down, and after I've twisted that much down, I pull it to the side and I continue twisting. As you can see, twist, 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 and then I pull it to the side. The reason I do this is because it will fall straight back down. In the past, I used to pull it off to the side immediately, and you'd see when I'm done, like my twists are just all pulled to the side. So that is a trick. If you ever find that your twists are doing that and you realize that you do that, then yeah, start off wherever you start off, that's where it's gonna fall. And you want to do quite a bit, because if you just start twisting with one at the back, then you move it will probably still fall at the side. I do this all throughout my head using the moisturizing cream and mousse, and my hair can remain in this style for 1 month. I promise you guys, it does not lock. The first time I did mini twists, I got them professionally done, and my stylist used shine and jam at the roots, you know, because they use it to like straighten the part, and also it looks neater. It does. I'm not gonna argue with anyone on that. It does look neater. But my hair, I decided to keep it in a month. And when I started taking it down, my roots were locked, or they were locking. They weren't fully locked yet, but they were locking. So the takedown process was not fun. And initially I didn't know. I just thought, okay, that's how mini twists are. Then the next time I put in mini twists, I decided, let me not use shine and jam, and it didn't lock. I had them in for a month as well. No locking. My roots were fine. It came out fine. So that is a trick. Another thing is I don't start off with braids because this is a low maintenance style, guys. I don't have time to take out mini braids when I'm taking out these mini twists. Okay? I want my takedown process to be as easy as possible because I'm already taking out so many little twists. Also, I've never done braids before, so I can't even comment on whether braids lock or not, but no, it just seems like a lot of work. It's low maintenance. We're not doing that. As you can see, I also pump a little bit of the mousse on my ends just to curl them a little bit. But that is actually the next day. I'm wearing the same shirt for continuity. That word. Okay, immigrant English is my first language. I was born in Africa. My parents are African. But yes, as you see from the side, you won't see this in the video, but I do go off camera to part the sides using the three-way mirror. Again, get you a three-way mirror. Another tip for when you're doing mini twists is get you a good show, because this will last a while. As you can see, like I said, this is the next day. I think in total it took me about 6 hours to do my mini twist, but really parting takes the longest, and I'm not a very strong parter, so that's also why it took long. My niece came to join because she just woke up from her nap and she wanted her auntie, so she's just sitting there. Low manipulation does not mean neglect. So please continue to moisturize your hair while it's in your mini twist, while it's in your mini braids, whatever low manipulation style you have. Have it. Those are my mini twists. I am done. At the back, I don't know if you guys can see, I have about there's about 6 there in the middle that are slightly bigger than the rest, so I redid them.
Whoa, you finished? That looks nice. Look at you saving money. Yeah, this is pretty. This.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.